Hello, welcome again. We are solving mechanical engineering paper 2 of year 2025 of civil services mains exam. Question number 2A1 is a reversible power cycle engine is used to drive a reversible heat pump. The power cycle takes in Q1 heat units at temperature T1 and rejects heat Q2 at temperature T2. The heat pump abstracts heat Q4 from the sink at temperature T4 and discharges heat Q3 at temperature T3. Develop an expression for the ratio Q4 by Q1 in terms of four temperatures T1, T2, T3 and T4. So here we have one engine operating between T1 and T2, taking heat Q1 and ejecting heat Q2, and one pump operating between T3 and T4, taking heat from sink at T4 and ejecting heat to source at Q3. They are T3. So Q4 is the heat taken and Q3 is the heat ejected. So as engine drives the pump, so Q1 minus Q2 should be equal to Q3 minus Q4. So this is the work obtained from the engine, and this work is equal to Q3 minus Q4, because Q3 is Q4 plus W and W is Q1 minus Q2. So Q1 minus Q2 is equal to Q3 minus Q4. So as cycle is reversible, so Q1 by Q2 should be equal to T1 by T2 and Q3 by Q4 should be equal to T3 by T4. So now if we divide this equation by Q4, then it will be Q1 by Q4 minus Q2 by Q4 is equal to Q3 by Q4 minus 1. Now Q3 by Q4 can be put as T3 by T4, and this Q2 can be put as Q1 T2 by T1. Okay, so we can take common Q1 by Q4, so it will be 1 minus T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T4 minus 1. Or we can say Q1 by Q4 is equal to T3 by T4 minus 1 divided by 1 minus T2 by T1, or the required expression Q4 by Q1 is 1 minus T2 by T1 divided by T3 by T4 minus 1. So this is the required expression of Q4 by Q1 in terms of T2, T1, T3 and T4. So here the key point is we have to put the value of Q2 as Q1 T2 by T1 and put the value of Q3 by Q4 as T3 by T3, and we have to balance work delivered by engine and work received by power. And another important point is the cycle is reversible, so we have to deal with these things to find out the expression.